I know you will not believe me, but what if I tell you this is not cake, but it is something better? Yes. And I'll leave you to judge which one tastes better between this and cake. All I have to tell you is that these muffins are delicious, super easy to make, and you just need simple ingredients to make them. So let's start. You are going to measure out your sugar and you are going to take fresh large eggs. These eggs are actually big. These are large eggs that you should use to bake. And then we are going to break it, put it in a bowl, and then beat it. This is the margarine I'll be using for this, and I melted the margarine. I added the melted margarine and the egg, mixed it together, and then I'm going to add vanilla flavor because we want that good taste. And then you are just going to beat it, mix it together, and that is your wet ingredient. For our dry ingredients, you are going to measure out your flour. For this, I'm using 2 cups of flour. Then I'm going to sieve it. Then I'll be adding salt to taste. This is baking soda and this is baking powder. I actually used half teaspoon. Then I now said, oh no, it's 1 teaspoon I was supposed to use. So that's why it's looking like that. That's just 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then I sieved it. Now I'm going to mix my dry and wet ingredients together. You can see that this thing does not take time. You are just mixing everything together and you get that beautiful creation I showed in the beginning of the video. So I'm just going to mix it with a wooden spoon, and then I'm going to add my flour, baking soda, baking powder mixture into this. You know, for cake, you are going to mix the flour and sugar till it changes color, but this one, they are just melting the margarine. Is this not a really fast and easy recipe for you to do? Of course it is. You don't even need to tell me. So tell me thank you in the comment section for always teaching you simple recipes. So I'm just going to mix it till I don't see any flour anymore. This you actually have to avoid over mixing because it doesn't take time. This you can finish within 5 minutes. I'm literally not joking. Like, you can make these muffins at home in your kitchen within 5 minutes. So I'm going to add my favorite milk of all time, Evap Hollandia milk. I'm going to add it. 1 Evap Hollandia milk is 1/3 cup. So I'm just going to mix that together because I want this batter to actually be looser. You can see that it's looking hard. It's looking like buns batter, and we don't want that. We want it to be muffins batter. Do you understand? So I added another Hollandia Evap milk to this. So that's 2 Hollandia Evap milk I added to it. For yours, you can just use 1 cup of milk or half cup of milk, whatever you want to do. And then I'm just going to incorporate the milk and the butter together. From the look, you already know that this thing is going to be sweet. It's going to taste really nice and delicious. And another thing you should notice is that this is not as sweet as cake. At the beginning of the video, you can see we measured out half cup of sugar for this. So if you don't really like sugar, you actually like this. So I'm going to measure out 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder because we want to make chocolatey goodness. I love chocolates. Do you actually like chocolate? Between vanilla and chocolate, which one do you like more? So I just mixed everything together. And these are pans which I just greased with margarine. And then I'm going to pour the batter into it. For this, because we want to get like a swirl of vanilla and chocolate. As you saw at the beginning of the video, I'm just going to mix the vanilla and chocolate together. But I like beautiful things. Everybody loves when things look really beautiful. So I just used toothpick, please, new toothpick, to just make a swirl on this. So you can create any design of your choice. Just be creative, be open-minded, think what can make this more beautiful. And if you actually like plain, that's also nice. So these are the designs I made. I'm not really good at that, but at least I tried my best. So if you are using an oven, preheat your oven and bake for 30 minutes. If you are using a pot, preheat the pot and also bake for 30 minutes on low heat. And after 30 minutes on low heat, look at this. Like, look at this muffins. This is actually a very great breakfast idea. Instead of bread or pancake, why not try muffins? Take this with tea and enjoy your life. Like, life is too short. Try out this recipe today, because I'm telling you, you will actually enjoy it, and you come back to tell me that, oh my god, these muffins are so nice. And do I think it is better than cake? Yes, I think it is better than cake because it's easier to make, and you can also get this chocolate and vanilla swirl. Like, who would not want to eat it? Definitely, I would definitely want to eat it. So if you've gotten to this point of the video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.